It's Wavy Wednesdays, so here are some of the best techniques and tips and haircuts I can suggest for having wavy hair. First things first is, wavy hair has a mind of its own, and you can wear wavy hair in a number of different ways. You can have it where it's one length and there's no layers, meaning this hair comes all the way down to here, right? That's what that means. If there's no layering in your hair, this will be at its maximum weight and length, and it will travel all the way down to here, which will be very heavy. And if you're trying to grow your hair longer, it may end up growing out like a triangle like this, okay? Looks very like triangular this way, and it gets really heavy this way. If you add layers like this haircut, you could see what that's doing. It's removing weight, it's adding shape, it's adding volume, and it's balancing out the haircut to where actually it looks more rounded and even somewhat higher in through here. So this is 100% straight hair, this mannequin. I was able to achieve creating waves because the fact that I added layering to this haircut. Then I used my Tidal Wave sea salt spray. If you have straight hair, even fine hair, Tidal Wave is going to be your best option. Because yes, look, you feel like you're in the ocean right now, right? One, this has sea salt from the Dead Sea, so the highest quality sea salt you can imagine, which has numerous benefits for your hair and your scalp, okay? The next thing is that I am the stylist and the mastermind behind this because it's a custom-made product. And as a stylist for over 30 years, I wanted something that you can spray into the hair and get results quickly without having to spray 15, 16 and just sitting here like it's just water like a lot of other products. This is actually the opposite, where you don't need a lot of it and you spray in 2, 3 spritzes and you're gonna get those results. Then by using my blow dryer, my ionic blow dryer, basically I was able to blow dry this using my diffuser, right? Using my diffuser and also using just the Tidal Wave. So the combination of those and scrunching like this, the scrunching method. When you scrunch, you take straight hair and you go like this. It's going to actually create these waves. So try it. Even if you have straight hair right now and you have a haircut that's like this and you have some layers, try that by utilizing my sea salt spray. If you don't have it, then I would suggest getting it and blow drying it with the diffuser that comes with my blow dryer and watch what's going to happen. Okay, you're going to create waves and texture. So the best haircuts for wavy hair, depending on the look that you want, I would 100% say you need to get some sort of layered shape. The length of it depends on you. Do you want to have hair that's down to here? Then you can, but are you going to wear it in the middle? Are you going to wear it in the middle with layers? Are you going to wear it, but you have to blow dry it straight every day? Do you not want to have any movement and texture, and do you want to lay pretty flat to your head? Then don't get layers, because you're going to have that maximum weight, so it's going to make it lay down flat. And you also may have to change up your styling techniques, like using my sleek serum or my blow dry cream, maybe 25 spray, and then letting it air dry. So you kind of comb through it while it's damp, and then just with the products in your hair, and then set it and forget it. Let it air dry naturally. That's going to be the best option for enhancing those waves, okay? The minute you start blow drying it and trying to rake through it and stuff, it's going to expand it. So if you want the volume, then awesome. And if you don't, then do more of a one-length haircut. If you want to purchase any of my products, you can use code YouTube20. That's YouTube20 at shop.thesalonguy.com. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.